We're going to have a quick game of foot volley. The ball's going to have to go over the net. The boys can then pass it between themselves 3 times and then kick the ball back over. If it lands on the ground a couple of times, then it's going to be a point to the other team. And we're going to do the first to 5 points on this one. And the first thing I'm going to do is offer to our visitors to choose a hand, and they can choose whether they're going to serve or not. Which one's got the coin?
Okay, right.
Sorry, you get the serve, and you're going to be this end, and you go round that side, okay? Off you go. First. That's in. Spire. Oh! First point to Karabag, and they get the serve. One bounce. Spire heading it over, and once. Oh! That's 2 points to Karabag. Hit the floor here. So Karabag are leading. Straight over by Aspire. Another good header. Out. 3-0 to our visitors, Karabag. Aspire still to get into this one. And again, 4-0, match point to Karabag already. You want to swap? There we go. There goes change of tactics from Aspire. We're going to see if that makes it any better. See if they can get a point on the board. There we go. The point at last to Aspire. So that's 1-4 to Aspire, to Karabag, sorry. Oh, could have left that maybe. Out. 2-4, so Aspire getting back into this one. Oh, 3-4. The change of tactics seems to have worked here for Aspire. In. There we go, they're getting into this now, getting a bit better. Longer rallies. Oh, goes for the spectacular win to make it 4-all. And we're going to do the next point wins. Get it over. Aspire. Oh, unfortunately, Aspire get it back to 4-4, but Karabag take it on the winning point, 5-5. Well done to Karabag, guys. Thanks very much for sticking around to help us out. And shake hands. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot, guys. Cheers. Thank you. Well done. Well played, guys. Thank you.